Hi, today I'm with me Nokia T21 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So to do that, we should use one from our just volume buttons. So this you should press one from the volume buttons. That doesn't matter which one you'll use. After that, you'll see here the volume panel and this bell icon. Just to activate silent mode, you should switch this regular bell to the crossed one, and now silent mode is activated. So all our notifications and ringtones, they will be muted. If you wanna turn off silent mode and to switch it to the normal one, by the same way, press up or down volume button, tap here to this cross bell and switch it to the regular one, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.